this video, we're gonna learn about how to reduce to lowest term or simplifying fractions. For example, we have fraction 2/4 and we have to reduce it to lowest term. So the first thing you'll have to do is to get the common factor, which is both divisible to the numerator and the denominator. So if you think of it, the common factor of these two is number 2. So we have to divide it to both of them to reduce them to lowest term or a simplified form of fraction. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 1/2 is the reduced lowest term of 2/4. Let's try another example. So we have 3 over 9. So let's reduce it to lowest term. So we know that the common factor for this is 3. So divide it by 3 over 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. So the lowest term for 3 over 9 is 1/3 or 1 over 3. Another example, 5 over 35. So what is their common factor? So we have 5 over 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 35 divided by 5 is 7. What about 18 over 63? So we know that their common factor is 9 because 18 is divisible by 9, also 63 is divisible by 9. So divide by 9 over 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 63 divided by 9 is 7. So the lowest term for 18 over 63 is 2 over 7. Another example, we have 25 over 100. So the common factor for this is, we know, 25 over 25. So 25 divided by 25 is 1. And 100 divided by 25 is 4. So therefore, if you have 100 peso bill and you divide it by 4, you'll get 25. What about this one? Larger number, 72 over 136. What is the lowest term for 72 over 136? For this one, we can use factor 3 to identify their common factor. So when we say factor 3, we factor out both of them into their smaller multipliers. For example, 72. So what are the factors of 72? 8 and 9. What are the factors of 8? 2 and 4. What are the factors of 4? 2 and 2. What are the factors of 9? 3 times 3. Then we have to get those factors. So that means this is equivalent to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Then for 136, we have factors 2 and 68, then 2 and 34, then 2 and 17. So we will get 2, 2 and 17 all over 2 times 2 times 2 times 17. Then we'll cancel out all the 2 that is common to numerator and denominator. So the final answer is 9 over 17.